Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, I am doing an unboxing of my new bag. I posted a picture on my Instagram stories a few days ago, and I got an overwhelming amount of requests to do an unboxing and to do a video of my new bag. So that is what we are going to do today, which if you guys do not follow me over on my Instagram, please do. It's just Molly Nicole XO. I post on my stories pretty much every day over there. I don't post a ton on my feed. I'm trying to get a little bit better about that, but I would love for you guys to follow me. I also wanted to ask you guys if you'd be interested in me doing a follow-up video a year later of buying my first Louis Vuitton bag, which is my Never Full. I've done an unboxing and a what's in my purse video on that bag as well. I will leave that link down below if you are interested in watching that, but I did want to give you guys my full opinion and thoughts on the bag a year later to let you guys know if I still love it, if I regret buying it, everything like that. So if you are interested in something like that, let me know down below. And without further ado, if you'd like to see the unboxing of my new bag, just go ahead and keep on watching. So getting this video started, you can probably already tell what bag we're going to be unboxing in this video, and you can also probably tell by the title that it says bougie on a budget, which your girl is totally on a budget. From purchasing my very first Louis Vuitton bag, I've just had some different thoughts and my mindset has kind of changed on what I want to spend my money on. So this is actually going to be a dupe for the Louis Vuitton Pochette METIS. This is the reversed monogram. I absolutely love this bag and I've had my eye on it for a really long time, but your girl does not want to pay like $2,000+ for this bag. So I'm going to be giving you guys an amazing alternative to this bag if you guys are in the market for this bag and don't want to pay as much as the Louis Vuitton website has it for. This bag is absolutely amazing quality and it looks pretty spot on to the exact bag. So we're going to start with the packaging that it came in. It did come through DHL and it did come pretty quickly to me, which was pretty surprising considering that I did have to travel pretty far. I will leave a link to this exact bag and their website in the description box down below if you guys are interested in checking them out. So this is what the box that it came in looks like. So it just says Louis Vuitton right here with some nice little straps. And then I'm just going to open this on up so that you guys can see it. So I did kind of take it out of its packaging already because I was too eager to actually see the purse. So this is what it looks like inside the bag. So I'm just going to take the bag out and then we're going to go through everything that is inside the box. So this is what the bag looks like right out of the box. So it does have this nice protection right here on the strap up here. So I'm going to give you guys an up close view of the actual purse. So this is the front of it, and then this is the back of the purse. I absolutely love this bag and I love the size of it as well. We'll go more into detail on the bag in just a second. So you do get a nice little dust bag in here as well that just looks like this. And then we do have some cards in here as well. So you do have the little Louis Vuitton booklet in here. And then you do also have the bag in here as well, which is super cute. I saved my other bag from my first purchase. So this is the bag and you can put this box obviously in here if you are giving this as a gift. So that is everything that is inside the actual box itself. Now we are going to get on to the purse. So this bag does come with a strap, obviously. So we're just going to go ahead and open this up. So it does just have these two little buttons right here that you press to open up the bag. And this is what the inside looks like. So like I said, it does come with this nice strap, which you can carry it either way. I most likely will be keeping this strap on the bag. Most of the time when I'm using this, I'm actually going to be instantly putting my stuff in this bag when I go out today because I do have to run a few errands. So the strap is amazing quality. It does have that monogram on it. It does have the engraving of the Louis Vuitton as well on the actual clasp itself. It does have the nice buckle on here, which also does have the Louis Vuitton writing right there on the side. I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see that. So the strap is great quality. You can adjust this as well depending on how high or low you want this to hit on you. If you don't want to use the strap, obviously you guys don't have to. You can just carry it from this little strap up here. I am going to take this little styrofoam piece off of here so you guys can see the handle a little bit better. It is nice that it does come protected though, so nothing gets scratched or anything like that. All right, so now that we have that little piece off the strap off, I'm going to do an up close view of the stamp on the top of the bag as well. So this is what the top of the bag looks like. It does have the stamp right there, as you can see. So opening up the bag, I absolutely love how spacious it is. I'm going to take these little inserts out so you guys can see a little bit better. So it does have two bigger openings here. So this bag would fit a lot, like it would fit a whole entire full-size wallet if you wanted to. Some sunglasses, all of your necessities would be able to fit in here. It does also have an opening right here in the back as well. So total there is 3 different spaces inside this purse. The quality of the inside of the purse is really great as well. This is going to be a little hard to show you guys, but there actually is a little patch on the inside that does say Louis Vuitton as well. So I hope that you guys can see that on camera. But the inside is, like I said, very great quality. The bag in general just feels really sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap whatsoever. This little buckle right here in the front also has a little protection on it as well, which you can take off. I'm actually going to do that right now. So it's just like a little plastic piece to make sure nothing gets scratched up, which again is great because a lot of things can happen in transfer. It does have it right here on the top of the clasp as well, which I'm going to take off. I'm going to show you guys an up-close view of the little clasp in the front. So it does have the stamp on there as well. I just love it so much, you guys. If you guys didn't know, they do have this bag in the all dark monogram, not the reversed monogram. So there is different options if you don't like the reverse monogram. I kind of like it because I feel like this will go with a little bit more. You can wear it with pretty much whatever. I'm excited to pair it with my outfit today because I actually have a little bodysuit, a leopard bodysuit on with some black ripped jeans. So I think this will go great with so many different outfits. So on the back of the bag, this is what it looks like. It does have a nice zipper right here, so you can put more stuff back here. I love the fact that this bag has so much storage in it, because if you guys haven't watched any of my previous what's in my bag videos, I like really big purses and I like to carry around a lot of stuff in my purse as well. So this is great because it is a perfect size. It's not too big and it's not too small. So this also has the little protection on it as well. And I don't know if I showed you this earlier, but it does have the Louis Vuitton stamp on here as well. This little back compartment would be absolutely amazing to put your phone in. Super easy access to get out. And the other nice thing is that this part, the back of the bag, is going to be facing towards you when you have it on. So it is nice. It's going to be more protected and nothing's going to be able to be taken out since it will be towards your body. It's nice because it is easy to pull in and put out. It would be great to put your keys in here as well so that you're not having to open up the actual whole entire bag. Quality of this bag is absolutely amazing, you guys. I have watched so many unboxings of this bag in specific, and this bag is honestly spot on. I'm obviously going to be switching back and forth from this one to my Neverfull, but this one is just great because my Neverfull always is hurting my shoulder because I have so much crap inside of it. So this will be great to have to carry around when I'm not wanting to have my shoulder hurt, when I can't put my big Neverfull in like the cart or anything like that. I'm so excited to start styling this bag. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, like I said at the beginning of the video, please do. I will most likely be posting a ton of pictures on there styling this bag. So if you would like to see how I style it and what I wear with this bag, go ahead and follow me over there. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel down below. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.